day 9 in the trial of Richard Allen, who is accused of killing Abby Williams and Libby German in Delphi. Today, a DNA expert as well as a blood spatter expert testified about the crime scene and what that may reveal about the girls' deaths. WRTV's Kaitlyn Kendall has been in court all day. She's live tonight from Delphi. Kaitlyn, what did those experts say?
Nicole, we wrapped up at about 5:30 this evening, and family members and the jury heard about the final moments of Abby Williams and Libby German before their deaths. Now, a blood spatter expert testified most recently to what he believes happened to the girls. Major Patrick Cicero testified that he believes Abby's body was found at the same place that she died. He contends that Libby German's body, however, was moved from where she died to where she was found. Cicero testified that Libby had likely moved from where she was originally injured to a separate location before dying and then being drugged to her final resting place. This also explains blood being found on her body and her shoulders and really all over her body, her hands and everywhere else. He testified to the flow pattern of the blood, noting that Abby did not have any blood on her hands. Now, he testified that as being unusual, saying he has not seen something like that with the injury like what Abby sustained, and he attributed that to likely being she could have been unconscious, restrained, or even bound. Cicero did testify that blood found on Abby's face was mixed with a watery, or Libby's face rather. Cicero testified that blood found on Libby's face was mixed with a watery substance, likely from a tear, suggesting that she had been crying. In addition, the DNA expert testified that she did not find any DNA linking Richard Allen to the crime scene or Abby Williams or Libby German. I do want to add that towards the end of court today, the judge did rule on the motion to quash. This was filed by the former Carroll County Prosecutor, Robert Ives. He stepped down as prosecutor in December of 2017, but the defense subpoenaed him, asking him to testify in court. He, of course, filed to not have to testify in court, the judge granting his motion, so we will not hear from the former Carroll County Prosecutor testifying during this trial. Still a lot of testimony to be heard, including a number of evidentiary items that the prosecution is trying to enter into evidence. The defense objecting from that. It is some search history from Richard Allen's Gmail account. We're going to hear a ruling from the judge on that at a later time. Reporting in Carroll County, Kaitlyn Kendall, WRTV.
All right, Kaitlyn, thank you. And we have much more coverage of day 9 in the Delphi Murders Trial, plus everything leading up to this point. That is all up on our website, WRTV.com, and the WRTV mobile app.